friends, hello, welcome to my channel. You can see this is my spot which I've already prepared. It's ready with the soil, and this is some planted strawberry which I picked up from the grocery store, and now I'm going to transplant these into the pot. So I'll show how to do that. Okay. So you have to dig some hole and make some space in the pot. Okay, so you can get rid of some of the soil into some other pot. Okay, and just make some space for the roots to spread out. So you have made enough space now. Okay, and this looks a very rich soil because you can see the condition of it. If there are some roots under it, just get rid of them. Okay, so this looks pretty good space for them now with your pot. Okay, you see this pot. Okay, now just turn it upside down. Okay, and then you'll see this plant is out and this is completely rooted, so that means it needs transplantation. So just open up the roots softly, spread it out, give them some space to breathe. You can just do this way that I'm showing it, and now once they open up, they're going to spread out. Now you can the hole which you have done, you can just put it right inside it. Okay, and now you can bury it with the soil. So this is how you transplant it. Okay, and don't worry about it. Now you can put some good enriched soil over it, and you're ready. So I'll show you. I have some fresh soil here. Right out on it. So this is how you transplant any strawberry, pepper, any other. Okay, so this is the potted one. I'll show you how to do it in the garden soil, in the garden bed too.